Welcome to our Everlast Tech Support channel. Today we'll be showing you how to fix the cable jacket on your machine's cord end. If you are seeing the insulated conductors underneath the black rubber jacket, it does not mean that the plug is damaged, simply that the rubber has pulled back. Firmly grip the cable with one hand and slide the jacket up with your other hand. It might help to use a small screwdriver to wedge in the edges of the rubber into the plug molded body. Once you have the jacket started to feed into the plug, you can go again down the whole cable, feeding the excess rubber into the plug head. To help prevent the jacket from pulling back easily in the future, you can apply a little bit of glue between the jacket and the plug body. Thank you for working with us today. We hope this video has helped resolve your power cord issue.